System files corrupted by the WinCore Kernel32 Private DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. Before we start the WinCore Kernel32 private configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the WinCore Kernel32 Private, a critical localized Kernel32 Private API Set Shim. It redirects localized internal OS level calls from modern software to the protected kernel-based DLL execution core, mandatory for the localized stability of Windows 11 system components and modern administrative toolsets. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like WinCore Kernel32 Private DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the WinCore Kernel32 private file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Safety first, never attempt to replace WinCore Kernel32 Private DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for WinCore Kernel32 private library references. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including WinCore Kernel32 private dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.